Today we learn about the pillars of discipline, your key to success. Discipline is the bridge between goals and achievement. Most people have dreams, but only a few have the discipline to turn them into reality. Here's the truth: motivation comes and goes, but discipline always stays. It's what pushes you to show up even when you don't feel like it. Start small, one habit at the time. Wake up 20 minutes early, read one page, practice one skill daily. Consistency over intensity wins every time. Missed a day, that's okay. Just don't miss the next one. Today, boost point tips. Choose one action that moves you closer to your goal and commit it today. Remember, success is not about luck, it's about discipline, daily actions, and never giving up. This is Boost Mind. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep boosting your mind. Master your mindset. Win your life. Your mindset controls your future. If you believe you can't, you won't. If you believe you can, you will find a way. Success does not start with money, it does not start with connections. It starts with how you think. Winners think differently. They see challenges as lessons. They see failure as feedback. They see obstacle as opportunity. Every morning you have two choices: focus on problems and focus on your solutions. Your thoughts shape your actions. Your action shapes your habit, and your habit shapes your life. Today, boost my reminders. Control your thoughts before they control you. Speak positively, act confidently, and stay consistent. Because when you master your mindset, you master your life. This is Boost Mind. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep winning. Average people want quick results. Successful people become obsessed with improvement. They don't compete with others, they compete with how they were yesterday. If you improve just 1% every single day in 1 year, you won't even recognize yourself. Growth is not loud, it's quiet. It's waking up early when no one is watching. It's practicing when you don't feel like it. Choosing discipline over success. Stop chasing motivation. Start building habit. Because habit builds confidence. Confidence builds momentum. And momentum builds success. Today, boost my reminders. Ask yourself, what can I improve today? No next week. Not next month. Just today. Small improvements create massive results. This is Boost Mind. Stay consistent, stay hungry, and keep improving.